Like
Hi guys, what's going on? What's happening? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Herdasa. If you're new here and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. So I don't know what I'm always looking at, but anyways, in today's video I'm trying to make hair butter for hair growth and hair oil. I've saved a lot of videos like that on my phone, and today I decided to try it out and see if I can make it, and I decided to bring you guys along. So let's get straight into making it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let's get straight to the video. NEPA, really? Ha! Nah, NEPA has taken light, so manage the flashlight on my phone. So I'm going to be making aloe vera hair growth hair butter. Yes, so I'm using aloe vera. I already soaked this last night because you're always advised to soak your aloe vera before using it so that it takes away the yellow substance that causes itching. So we're going to use aloe vera. In here is blended cloves, rosemary, and fenugreek. I already blended it earlier because obviously I couldn't move mad, so I just did it sharp. Then this shea butter is for the hair butter. I didn't get a lot. I don't know, for some reason shea butter is scarce and is expensive for some weird reason. Then I'm going to be using this olive oil. I'm also going to be using this coconut. Let's take it out of the pack. Okay, so I'll be using this olive oil, coconut oil, olive oil, black seed oil, another coconut oil. Then for the hair butter, I'll be using this moringa powder. So let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to slice the aloe vera into tiny bits into the I mixed olive oil, coconut oil, and a bit of black seed oil here. We're going to fry it. We're gonna fry it like plantain. So let me just go ahead and cut all of this, right? I don't know, I decided to be serious with my hair this year. So I said let me be doing all of these things because anyways, no matter what I do, all I think about is you. Do you guys know that for every song there's Igbo version of it? So now that I'm done mixing it, I'm just going to let it fry for at least 20 minutes. The videos I watched and they say let it fry like plantain. So we're going to let it fry like plantain. Yeah. So when that is ready, then we'll go ahead to melt the shea butter and mix everything together. So this is done frying. Bring your plate. So while this is cooling down, we are going to melt the shea butter. I changed the pot because that other pot I don't like it. I don't trust it. It used to do that way. Yeah. So we're going to melt We're going to melt the shea butter in another pot. So let's do that. So I'm just going to melt this. This is the shea butter. I'm supposed to use more, but I couldn't get more, so I'm just going to make do what I have. So I'm going to melt this, then I'll mix it together with the aloe vera oil, period. So we're going to sieve the aloe vera oil into this plate. Yeah. I'm not even doing it right. Why is it so tiny? Hey, it's so small. What was I expecting? It's tiny. But it smells nice though, you guys. It smells really nice and it's dried up like plantain. Okay. Next, we're going to add the melted shea butter. I don't even know if I'm doing the right thing, but okay. Then we're going to let it sit down. I do I go really sit down. Was it standing before? So we mix that. I think you let it. Okay, we're going to let it solidify. You guys, I'm only following what I saw online. It's not as if I know what I'm doing, so I'm going to let this solidify. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Then I'll move over to doing my hair oil. Yeah. Okay, so in the same pot where I melted the shea butter, I'm going to be doing the what's the word now? The clove and rosemary oil. So I'm going to be using the remaining Goya oil and black seed oil. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, I went to make my own too smooth. It's not supposed to be as smooth as this. It's supposed to be a bit rough and all, but we move. So we're going to add this here. Yeah, everything must come out. Ah, it's very smooth. Hey, baby. Nah, So they're all mixed in here. So I'm going to be using the double boiler method where I put a pot with water like this, then I drop the pot inside. So I'm just going to let this boil a bit before putting the pot. Then we'll leave this in here for like 30 minutes, then it's going to be ready. So let's do that. So I'm going to let that sit for like 30 minutes. Then I'm going to let it cool down and just leave it to infuse, because I saw that the longer you let it infuse, the more potent, the more it's gonna work on your hair. Alright, so we're just going to leave for 30 minutes and we'll see what it looks like. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something. This is what the hair butter looks like. I forgot about it in the fridge because I slept off and I just woke up now. So this is what it looks like. I thought it wasn't going to solidify because the shea butter wasn't plenty, but it's now solid. So I'm going to add a bit of moringa powder and just whisk it together. I'm supposed to use what do they call it now? I just woke up, so I'm confused. That thing that people use when they are baking. Is it whisk? Yes, that's electrical and sha to mix it all together. But I don't have it, so I'm going to go in with my phone. Yeah. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me. At this point, I'm supposed to add essential oils for fragrance, but I don't have that, so we're just gonna mix it and put it in the container. Yeah, so I think I made mine a bit too oily. Jesus, I can't even grab it. But this is what it's like. It feels like, oh my god, it's too oily. I don't know, but it's my first time, so plus I beg it's on my hair. But I think it's okay, color and everything. But I think I put a bit of too much oil. It's my first time. We'll do better next time. See what I did there? First time, next time. So you guys, this is what it looks like. This is what the hair butter looks like and the hair oil. With this one, I know that I put too much oil because shea butter is already very oily, so I shouldn't have put too much oil. The shea butter should have been much. Then this one came out okay. Here is rosemary, cloves, and fenugreek. So I'm just going to let this keep infusing till I'm ready to use it. Then I'll transfer it to my hair bottle, my hair oil bottle. This can infuse for as long because they always say the longer you leave it, the more effective it will be. So for this one, next time we're not going to put too much oil. Let me know, will you be trying this out? This is me trying out all the DIY videos I've been saving on my phone, and I like the color, but I shall know that it's going to be melting too much and it's going to be too oily. It's not much of a butter now, is it? Anyways,
that's the end of the video. Let me know if you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, share this video with your friends so that all of us will have long hair together. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.